Hello everybody, I am Dr. Vijayalakshmi Behra, Neonatology Consultant of Chaitanya Hospital. Today we are going to discuss about kangaroo mother care. Kangaroo mother care is a care of newborn babies by secured skin-to-skin contact with the mother. It is a very useful and easy to use method to promote the health and well-being of low birth weight babies, that is babies who weigh less than 2500 grams, whether they are term or preterm. Now, why is it called kangaroo mother care? Yes, as you can imagine, it is derived from the care given by a mother kangaroo to a baby kangaroo by keeping the baby in her pouch. It provides warmth, safety, and a constant supply of milk to the baby kangaroo. Similarly, the human infant who are immature and low birth weight can benefit from skin to skin care because it provides warmth, safety, and promotes breastfeeding. Now, what are the components of kangaroo mother care? Kangaroo position, that is, it is achieved by placing baby's body in a flexed position with skin to skin contact on mother's chest in between the two breasts in an upright position by turning the head to side and neck in a slightly extended position to keep the airway open and allow eye to eye contact between mother and baby. Avoid forward flexion or hyperextension of the neck. Second component is kangaroo nutrition. Exclusive breastfeeding whenever possible, and initially tube or cup feeding before breastfeeding is established. The third component is kangaroo discharge. When mother continues KMC practice at home even after discharge. Once the baby is feeding well, maintaining stable body temperature in KMC position and gaining weight, mother and baby can go home. Kangaroo support, that is, the healthcare staff can provide support to the mother to take care of her infant in the hospital and also in practicing KMC at home. Now, coming to the benefits of kangaroo mother care. First, benefits to the baby. It improves the cardiac and respiratory stability with very fewer episodes of desaturation and apnea. It can successfully treat mild respiratory distress. It improves the GI function. Earlier initiation and duration of breastfeeding is also increased. There is satisfactory weight gain of the baby. It protects against infection. There is effective temperature control of the baby. And it provides an organized sleep pattern to the baby. So in turn, it improves the neurological outcome of your baby. Now coming to the benefits to the mother. The mother's confidence for carrying her baby is boosted up. It improves the bonding between a mother and infant. Mothers are empowered to play an active role in the baby's care and they become a primary caregiver, and breastfeeding is promoted. Now coming to types of kangaroo mother care, intermittent and continuous types. Now intermittent type is practiced with infants who are very small and still need incubator care and who are not on full oral feeds or who are receiving oxygen therapy. They can range from many times per day to only once every few days. The time period can vary from minutes to hours at a time depending on the condition of the infant and the availability of the mother. It encourages the mother to take part in care of her infant while still in the nursery. Continuous KMC, that is given continuously both day and night except when the mother has to take bath or attend her personal needs. It can be practiced in hospital or when doing KMC at home. It requires support from all the family members including the husband. It is an ideal type of kangaroo mother care for low birth weight infants. Now, when to discontinue KMC? KMC may be discontinued when the weight is around 2.5 kg or the baby starts feeling uncomfortable by pulling out the limbs or cries and fusses each time when the mother tries KMC. Thank you.